In my previous video, I was talking about one-way connectors letters. In this video, I will start with two-way connectors letters. We said we have 28 letters. 6 out of 28, we call them one-way connectors. One-way connectors letters, if these 6 letters are following or preceding each other, they never connect. We still have 22 letters. 22 letters, we call them two-way connectors. And two-way connectors, if they are following or preceding each other, they connect. Let's start with some of the two-way connectors letters. We have ba, ta, tha, nun, and ya. Let's pronounce them again. We have ba, ba. We have ta, we have tha, we have nun, and ya. Again, ba, ta, tha, nun, ya. Ba, ta, tha, nun, and ya. And remember ya, I mentioned before, ya, it's one of the long vowels. In Arabic we have 3 long vowels. We have alif, waw, and ya. Next video, we will start connecting these 5 letters.